The market pushes higher, which might actually give the bears the upper hand. This is Invest with Jacob. Okay, guys, so the market moved higher yesterday in what looks like a pretty clear ABC pattern. Then they sold off after the close. Now we would expect a pullback in wave B before shooting higher in C toward our wave 2 target area. This leaves us wondering if the bulls have any hope. I'll get into that in just 1 second. But first, if you're new here, welcome to the show, guys. My name is Jacob Gabbard, and this is Invest with Jacob, where we use Elliott Wave Theory to break down the SP 500 and the Nasdaq. I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can get our daily S&P updates, our trade setups, and our buy alerts. Okay, guys, quick housekeeping note. No video this Friday as I will be traveling. Now, let's jump into the charts and take a look. Okay, guys, here we are on the 1 hour futures chart for the S&P 500. As you can see, we got the A up, B down, and then the C wave up today, and then it started selling off here after hours and dropping down. Pretty clear ABC pattern here, and they did push through the 236 retrace in the after hours here on the sell-off, which usually indicates the start of a pullback. In this case, that would be the B wave. Okay, and so for the B wave, what we would look for here is a 3-wave pullback into the 4411 to 4382 area. I actually expect about 4400 to hold. 1, the 618 retrace is 4398. And 2, 4400 is a round number, and those are psychological for support and resistance. And then 3, you have a nice wall of support right here across the top of this A wave. So I expect them to come back, test this support region here for the B wave, and then shoot higher in C toward our wave 2 target here. Wave 2 is going to come in at 4493 to 4566 as our target for that, and then we would look for the start of wave 3 down towards the 4100 area if that's how this plays out. So we have to ask, do the bulls have any hope? They do. They have a couple of things here. They're not my favorite options, but they are options for the bulls. The first is that they could pull this directly lower and make a new low down here that stays above 4300, and that can be considered wave 2 on this retrace. And we could start a 5-wave structure up in wave 1 of 3 if that happens. So if they can break down below this 4382 level, push down and break this 4355 low, then we have a low to build off of, and the bulls can try to start a rally from there in wave 3. The other option for the bulls, and this is my least favorite option, is that the move off of the 4100 low up to here, up to wave 1 high here that I've labeled as wave 1 and B, would be a 3-wave structure. So this would be wave 3 up here. This would be a wave 4 pullback down here, and then wave 5 up towards 4750 to 4800 would be how that plays out. Now, the reason it's my least favorite option for the bulls is it would be a leading diagonal, because remember, this pullback down here crossed into wave 1 territory. And so with that overlap, it means this structure up would have to be a diagonal, and since it's a wave 1, it would be a leading diagonal. So I don't have it on the chart because I don't trust diagonals. I don't like them, but it is possible that we could see a leading diagonal. And the way that would play out is very similar to the start of this wave 2. You would see an A wave up toward 4500, because remember, in diagonals, all waves are 3-wave structures. So waves 1, 3, and 5 are normally 5 waves, but in diagonals, they are ABC structures, so they are 3-wave structures. So you'd see an A wave up towards 4500, a B wave pullback, and then a C wave up towards that 4750 to 4800 area. But the reason I don't have it on the chart, again, I don't trust diagonals. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it. Should they push up towards 4500, pull back, and then take out the high and keep moving forward, then we can seriously consider that diagonal as an option and look forward to take out this high and continue higher. So the bulls have a couple options, but they aren't my favorite. And right now I still lean toward us being in this wave 2 higher and then looking for wave 3 down. But we do need to keep those bullish counts in the back of our mind. All right, guys, over on the Nasdaq, we're tracking 2 potentials. The one is that the bottom here was a wave A, the top is a wave B, and we'd look for a wave C down towards that 12.5, 12.600 area lower. And the other is that this was all of wave 1 higher, and we're looking for this wave 2 pullback to hold 13,491 support and bounce and start wave 3 higher from there. This move up does not look impulsive to me, so I think if the bulls are going to make a move on the Nasdaq, they either need a new low to build off of, or they're going to need to morph this into some kind of leading diagonal for wave 1 of 3. If you like the information that I put out in these videos and you want real-time market updates from me, you need to check out investwithjacob.com. There's a link down in the description. Go ahead and click that link. It'll take you right over to our website. Once you get over there, check out our membership plans area. We have 2 amazing plans, and they both come with a 7-day free trial. And the reason is I want you to get in there, try it out, become part of our trading family, and make sure you love it before you ever spend a penny. All right, we have 2 rooms. The first one is my Invest with Jacob room. In there, you get all of my real-time market updates, all of my buy and sell alerts, as well as all of your Elliott Wave questions answered. We do trade the SPY and the QQQ, and we swing trade. So our trades last anywhere from a few days to a few months, so we don't trade quite as often as day traders do. However, if you are looking for day trading as well as individual stocks, you need to check out PT's Throne Room. Okay, in his room, you get everything you get in the Invest with Jacob room, as well as individual stocks, day trading, and PT's reduced risk binary method that is so powerful you need to check it out to see it, to understand it. He is an incredibly talented trader. He's got over 30 years in the market, and he absolutely crushes it. So come check us out, guys. You get that 7-day free trial. We would love to have you in there so we can make some money together. All right, key takeaways for today, guys. We are looking for the potential Wave B pullback here. We would look for it to hold 43.82 at the lowest and up to as high as 44.11, but I'm looking for that 4400 zone and then a bounce. And again, the bulls need a new low to build off of, or they need to morph this into a diagonal, which again, we'll cross that bridge if we get to it. This is not my favorite pattern or one I'm counting on at this moment. So our first option is we're looking for a pullback in Wave B and then a move higher in Wave C toward our Wave 2 target area. Over on the Nasdaq, we've got the potential for that ABC lower, or we've got the potential for this to be a Wave 2. Okay, but the bulls need a lower low, I think, here to build off of, because this move here is not impulsive. And you would want to see an impulsive rally here if we were going to start the move higher. Okay, guys, that is the market update for today. I will talk to you tomorrow.